Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very interesting topic on how to tell if your head gasket is blown. Imagine this. You're on the road, everything seems fine, when suddenly your engine overheats, smoke starts curling out from under the hood, and your heart starts racing. Could it be the dreaded blown head gasket? Now I know, that phrase alone can send shivers down a driver's spine. But here's the thing, if you can spot the signs early, you might save yourself from thousands of dollars in repairs and even extend the life of your engine. So today, we're breaking down step by step how to tell if your head gasket is blown. We'll cover what it is, why it fails, the classic warning signs, and what you can do next. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look out for. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So, let's begin. What is a head gasket? First things first, what exactly is a head gasket? Think of your engine like a sandwich. The cylinder block is the bottom bun, the head gasket is the top bun, and in between sits the head gasket, like the cheese that seals everything together. The gasket's job is critical. It seals the combustion chambers, so power from burning fuel stays inside. It keeps coolant and oil flowing in their own separate paths, and it prevents leaks between those fluids. Why do head gaskets blow? So why do head gaskets fail? The number one culprit is overheating. When your engine gets too hot, metal parts expand, the gasket gets crushed or warped, and eventually it can't hold the seal anymore. Other causes include poor cooling system maintenance, low coolant levels, pre-ignition or detonation inside the cylinders, and just plain old wear and tear over time. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. The classic symptoms of a blown head gasket. 1. White smoke from the exhaust. If you notice thick white smoke coming out of your exhaust, that's a big warning. What's happening here is coolant leaking into the combustion chamber, burning along with the fuel and exiting as vapor. This isn't just condensation on a cold morning, we're talking consistent, heavy smoke with a sweet smell. That's coolant, and it shouldn't be there. 2. Overheating engine. A blown gasket often leads to constant overheating. Since the seal is broken, your cooling system can't regulate temperature properly. Even after topping off coolant, the engine might overheat again within minutes. 3. Milky oil or creamy sludge. This one's a classic. Pull out your dipstick or check under the oil cap. If the oil looks like a milky, frothy milkshake, that means coolant is mixing with engine oil. Normally, oil should be clear amber or dark brown, not creamy beige. 4. Loss of coolant without visible leaks. Are you topping off coolant constantly, but you can't find any leaks under the car? That coolant is likely sneaking into the cylinders or mixing with the oil. 5. Bubbles in the radiator or coolant reservoir. When exhaust gases slip past the head gasket, they end up in the cooling system. This creates bubbles in the radiator or coolant reservoir. A simple test is, start the engine with the radiator cap off when cool. If you see constant bubbling, that's combustion gases where they don't belong. 6. Poor engine performance. Because a blown gasket lets pressure escape, you'll often feel a loss of power. The engine may misfire, run rough, or struggle to accelerate. Think of it like trying to blow up a balloon with holes in it. You lose the pressure that makes everything work. What to do if your head gasket is blown? Now for the tough part. Replacing a head gasket isn't like changing your oil. It's one of the most labor-intensive repairs on an engine. At a shop, it can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 depending on the car. Some skilled DIYers can do it at home, but it requires lots of time, tools, and experience. The key takeaway is, don't ignore it. Driving with a blown head gasket can destroy your engine completely, leading to an even more expensive replacement. Prevention tips. Here's the good news. Many head gasket failures are preventable. Keep your cooling system in top shape. Flush coolant when recommended. Never drive with an overheating engine, pull over, and shut it off immediately. Regularly check oil and coolant levels. Fix small leaks before they become big ones. A little maintenance today can save your engine tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your car in top gear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care tips. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.